Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Friday 3rd January 2025. 2nd January 2025 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number member only prediction boom. Member only prediction hot number boom number 1, number 14, number 44. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction number 4, number 17, number 25, number 37, number 43. Booster number 8. UK 49's tea time prediction number 7, number 12, number 22, number 46, number 34, booster number 38. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Like, share, comment and subscribe this